Alright guys, you've never seen spaghetti squash like this. With a homemade Alfredo? Are you kidding me? Let's freaking get it, guys. Come on. Let's do this. It is fantastic. Let's go. Grab your spaghetti squash and chop it in half like so. Be very careful, guys. Use a sharp knife because these things are tough and it takes some muscle. So just be careful. That's all I gotta say. Split that bad boy in half. How you doing? And you see how it looks? Oh, beautiful. Grab a spoon or a fork and scoop out all those seeds. You can save the seeds for later and bake them just like pumpkin seeds, but scoop them out either way. We don't need them in there. Get them out of here, guys. Get them out of here. Anyways, moving on. Get those lathered up with some olive oil. I'm using a brush, you know, how you doing, and just get a little boom bada beep boop bop boop beep boop bop. And there you go. Season thoroughly like everything with some beautiful salt and pepper. This gives it a nice flavor, covers everything like so. How ya doing? Anyways, guys, next step, into the oven. Set it at 400 degrees. We're gonna do about 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes. This is enough time to cook those insides perfectly, and make sure they're facing down, guys. Facing down on the ground. How you doing? We'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Stay calm and let's enjoy some cooked spaghetti squash. Let's go. All right, so we're done. Let it rest for about 10 minutes to cool down. Boom bada beep. Look at that. They're cooked beautifully. How you doing? Grab your fork and start peeling away. Peel away like so. You're gonna notice it's nice and stringy strands. It's very good on its own. This is it. It's cooked spaghetti squash right here. But why stop here, right? Let's take it to the next level with some beautiful Italian homemade Alfredo. How you doing? This is the epitome of how you doing. All right, so now that we have our cooked spaghetti squash, we're just gonna get our pan up to medium heat. Like always, medium heat is good for us. Now we're going to get our onion, about a quarter of a white onion. Slice it thinly, guys. Like everything, thinly is good. Next, what else do we got here, guys? Our garlic. Get those garlic bulbs, 2 to 4, or cloves, whatever you want to call them. Get 2 to 4 and slice them thin. Slice them thin, mince them up, and yeah, we're good to go, guys. We're off to the races. Garlic makes the world go round, and if you don't believe me, stop eating garlic. Anyways, now we can drop the heat to about low medium because we're gonna start making a sauce, guys. We don't want the heat to be too high because we want it not to burn. So next, 1 to 2 generous tablespoons of butter. Get that in. I burned mine a little bit, but that's totally fine. Either way, it's going to come out perfectly. Throw the minced garlic in. Once it gets flagrant, you know, we're going to mix it in, and then we're going to throw everything else in once the garlic gets flagrant. Get the onions in. How you doing? And mix it up, guys. Mix it up like you're a DJ. How you doing? And now we want some fresh basil leaves. We'll get 2 to 3 fresh basil leaves, and we're going to dice it up like so. You could dice it however you want, but this is a nice way to do it. Throw all the basil leaves in, and like always, mix, rinse, and repeat, guys. Come on, how you doing? It's not that hard. Next, some beautiful heavy whipping cream. 4 to 6 shots of heavy whipping cream, guys. Between the butter and the heavy whipping cream, this is the basis of our sauce. That's that creamy goodness. And next, like always, 4 to 8 pinches of salt, 4 to 8 pinches of black pepper, and then of course 2 to 5 pinches of rosemary because we're doing this from scratch. And next, 2 to 5 pinches of thyme. It's always a good time with these guys. And what else we got next? Oregano. 2 to 5 pinches of oregano, guys. So that all goes in. And once more, you don't need to hear it from me, but mix it up, guys. Mix it up. Look at that. So now we're gonna taste it for flavor. Okay, let's see. Always a taste and adjust, guys. That's how you get a perfect taste, is to just adjust on the fly. I gave you the basis, but then you got to adjust from there. Let's add 5 to 10 generous pinches of Parmesan cheese. I'm sorry if I butchered the pronunciation. I'm just trying to be as authentic as possible. But this will also help thicken up our sauce and just be extra amazing. So mix it all up and cap it, guys. Let the cheese melt. I'm adjusting. I'm trying to get the desired thickness and color. So just adjust with these ingredients, use your taste buds, trust your taste buds, and let them guide you. That's all I'm saying, guys. Forget the ragu Alfredo. This is way better. Anyways, so we're adjusting, we're letting it cook, we're getting it creamy, and boom, bada beep. After about 10 to 15 minutes of adjusting and cooking on low with some mixes, we got the perfect Alfredo. Look at that. It's beautiful. I wish you could taste it because it tastes even more beautiful. Throw your cooked spaghetti squash in and mix thoroughly, and you have a beautiful, perfectly cooked spaghetti squash with some homemade Alfredo. Plate and enjoy. How you doing? Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video or if you found it helpful. And we hope you have an excellent day. And before I finish the line, garnish with pepper. I'm just kidding. Anyways, thanks so much, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate your time. Have a good one and enjoy.